Yet another quadruple murder, this time at a cook shop in Clarendon. Hi again and welcome, this is Links 007 TV News Report and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 4 men were shot dead at a cook shop in the wee hours of Wednesday morning in the Summerfield community of Chapelton in Clarendon. The deceased have so far been identified as 44-year-old Kish Brown of Summerfield, Theo Manning, Darrell Manning, and a man only known as Thumper or Rasta. Reports from the police are that residents report hearing gunfire around 1 a.m. and alerted them. When the team got to the area, the bodies of the men were found with what appears to be multiple gunshot wounds. This quadruple killing falls on the heels of another quadruple killing that happened in St. Catherine just a few days ago. In that incident, 3 females and a male lost their life. One of the female had just arrived in the island less than 24 hours and was in the island for a funeral. This is a developing story and we'll have more details to come on this in a later newscast. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.